everyone, how are you? Nice to meet all of you here. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kara as an interviewer. On this occasion, I will interview a student and we will discuss this pandemic period. As we know, in 2020 there has been a very great outbreak, namely the COVID-19 pandemic. As a result of the COVID-19 outbreak, many people have carried Many people have looked down to prevent the spread of the COVID-19 virus. Therefore, we will have a discussion about this, so I will ask him some questions. But first, I invite you to introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, my name is Fajr Nugraha. I am studying in Jambi University.
Hi Fajri, how are you?
Hi Clara, I'm good. Thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. Thank you. How Now I'm going to give you the first question. How do you think about the COVID-19 pandemic?
In my opinion, the COVID-19 pandemic has made activities that usually do not according to what was previously planned. As a student, I experienced exceptional water and other problems.
How did you feel during this pandemic?
In opinion, the COVID pandemic affected many people, and personally, I feel stressed because a lot of things happened that were beyond our plans.
So, how do you deal with that?
I started to accept the situation now and get used to the situation so that I will not be stressed anymore.
Oh, good. Next question. What do you usually do during this pandemic?
My routine activity during the pandemic is taking online class. Other than that, I just do ordinary homework.
Do you think online classes are effective during this pandemic?
In my opinion, this online class is less effective because they are not practical.
Then, what are the obstacles you experienced during online classes?
During online classes, there are some obstacles. The first problem is network problem. The network often suddenly becomes unstable. So, can clear the network. It is difficult to concentrate during lecture, and it is difficult to understand to make a listen from the.
Okay. What is your opinion about the lockdown policies are carried out by the government is the best way to do it? And how is the impact cost?
Sure, the lockdown police can keep the virus spreading because with a lockdown, people have to stay at home. Jobs are closed, office, school, and work. This police make virus unable to easily spread from one person to another. However, behind this voice, various problems are embedded. Public, economic, and health sector. Many people who are not physical, further feeling of isolation and stress because of the lockdown police invest. Apart from the lockdown police, there are several other reasons that make people experience stress, such as the fear of construction, a disease, the fear of spreading the frozen, maybe about sudden loss of income because they don't work. Actually, when I'm having a lockdown police, the COVID-19 pandemic has created serious mental problems.
Apart from the negative effect, is there anything positive that you have felt during this pandemic?
Yes, yes. I have a lot of time with my family. I don't have to spend a lot of energy doing activities outside the home, and I hope this pandemic will end soon.
Yeah, I hope this pandemic will end quickly and we can do our activities as before. Okay, this is our interview. Thank you to Fajri for taking the time to do this interview and providing the information to all of us. I hope you have a good day.
No problems. Thank you too.
And thank you to everyone who listened to this interview. Have a good day and see you.